guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do this Downy slime. The reason I call this slime Downy because it is made out of Downy. It's super squishy. You guys should actually follow this slime tutorial. It's good, but this is one of them is optional. So let's see this. So this is the slime. Let's get started making this. You will be needing Reno or slime activator, something to mix in, and something to mix with. This is optional, but it's Downy or soften. You can use things that makes your slime smells good. This is also optional. This is not for making the slime. This is just making the slime nice, as well as making your t-shirt smell nice. Lux or Lux. This is lotion, body lotion, white glue or clear glue, and clean and clear. Let's get started. Oh yeah guys, I followed this slime tutorial from this YouTuber called Ria, yaya, Ria. I put her YouTube channel in the description box below. And yeah, you want to learn how to make this, then keep on watching. And also that the Downy makes the color. Yeah, let's get started. First, you want to pour how much glue you want. So I'll be doing that much. Put in your clean clear. My clean clear is actually almost finished, but I do have a new one. Then put in your body lotion. There. Then put in your Lux. And then pour in your this. So I poured the Downy in there, but I spilled a little there. I pour about only 1 cup of it. 1 cup of this cup. Now you really want to mix it really goodly. So see you when I'm done mixing this slime. So here's mine. I already mixed it really good, and it makes the color. Now put in your slime activator or icon section washer that has borax in it. Then mix. Then as you can see, it starts to form the slime. So see you guys when this is already slime. So you want to keep on adding the Reno, whatever. So I don't think you guys could really see, but it's blue color. I really like blue. And it's still sticky. So this is the slime, guys. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comments down below. Any slimes thingy, like bouncy slime or whatever you guys want. And bye bye.